Hello, and welcome to part 3 of our multi-part series of 50 side hustles over the next few videos. So let's get ready to make some shmoney. We're going to continue the countdown starting from number 35. I'm giving you another 5 today. Number 35, personal training. Now, if you know a thing or two about getting swole, and maybe even have that nice little certificate like the one from the National Academy of Sports Medicine, the American Council on Exercise, and or National Strength and Conditioning Association, then look into personal training. People in the field make between 40 and 60 per session, so with a little bit of networking, growing a client base can lead to this being a pretty buff cash cow. One example of someone crushing it in the field is Sonata Cracker, who is the world famous personal trainer and fitness creator with a global following over 8 million followers. She makes over $700,000 in the realm of personal training. Number 34, nutrition coaching. This is a side hustle that coincides with personal training, especially since there's an old saying that goes, you can't out-train a bad diet. The National Academy of Sports Medicine, the International Sports Sciences Association, and the American Council on Exercise each offer the credentials for this field as well. You can earn an average of $65 a session, and for people who offer hybrid sessions can charge an additional $10 more an hour. Kate Lyman is the owner of Kate Lyman Nutrition, a thriving nutrition coaching company with 6 trainers working for her. Now that's what I call a boss. Number 33, life coaching. Life coaching is like having a supportive friend who guides you in setting and achieving your personal and professional goals while cheering on every step of the way. It's like your own personal coach and cheerleader. You can earn upwards of $100 to $150 per session in this field. As for people whose life coaching on a huge level is Tony Robbins, who's been life coaching since 1977 and still holding webinars without slowing down, with earning upwards of $60 million a year. Number 32, translation services. Offering translation services as a side hustle is like being a linguistic bridge, connecting people across languages and cultures while earning extra income from the comfort of your own space. According to American Translators Association, a minimum of 12 cents per word is a recommended amount to charge. Small change can grow to be big bucks really fast. Zahila Akpanar is someone who is translating words to dollars, who has a successful YouTube channel with 707,000 subscribers. Number 31, language teaching. Something I'm very familiar with. Language teaching as a side hustle is like opening doors to new worlds for others, sharing the gift of communication while enriching your own life and schedule. You can gain TESOL and or TEFL certifications to teach English online, or if you know another language, you can also teach that language as well. There are platforms such as Preply and Wisent where people are making their own hours, rates, and they are making shmoney. One person who's raking in the money in this field is Brandon D., who is a Spanish language tutor on Wisent that charges $100 per hour session and has taught a total of 12,152 hours so far. So he potentially has earned more than $1.2 million from teaching the Spanish language. Come back next time for Side Hustles 30 to 25. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try any of these awesome side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.